So it was about 1.5 to 2 days work with 2 man on it. Okay, so we sounded in the booth. Obviously, the customer had a JL Audio Sub as well, which is to us installed. But the highlight of this is the Audison, okay, the Forza. Alright guys, so we've tucked it away nice and neatly, so it's going to be fully hidden away. Alright, okay, I've left the cables there because I've just literally finished programming it. Okay, in the doors, okay, it's the phone called the K2 Powers. As you can see, the yellow cone. Front, and the K2 Powers back as well. Front and back. Yeah, so what we've done, we replaced the Harman Kardon, we've taken the Harman Kardon out, and obviously we've then created our magic from there. Obviously I won't give away all my secrets, but you know, if you want to know, then you know when to come. Car sounds clear. What I'm going to do, I'm going to close the boot. Okay, I'm going to let you guys hear it, and believe me, it just sounds so clean, guys, yeah? So, come right here. Alright, so everything, as you can see, is still factory. We've installed the DRC controller, nice and easy accessible. So obviously, you've got 2 different settings there, A and then setting B. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to play something for you guys.
Well, me not money and girl every time. Then kiss and teeth and pick up every time. But me no know, me see something in a yo. I'ma feel me if you follow my mind. God know a good man so hard to find. They say they love you, then turn on and give you that a shine. But baby that can a yo, cause I give a yo, give me for coffee and a yo. Spoil yo, but we are nothing friends. From the the first time,
close the doors, open the windows. This is what happens obviously when the sensors are kicking in. Obviously, the PDC controller takes over.
Mother rate me brother, sister, everybody, but the father don't like me cause him here she call me daddy. So why you get you anything you like? Long as you alright and me alright, you know you man, that's why I'm like you. To a woman I like the club aside, so don't keep up me behind you. Just for
Obviously, the music lower down there is because I was in front of the car. It's like a fun sensor. So exactly what the factory system does, how the PDC control takes over when you're reversing, we kept all of that intact, guys. Okay, this car, believe me, the customers I'm talking to now today, so I would say come down and listen to it. But hand the car, it's got to be, in my opinion, after mine obviously, it's got to be, I think, one of the best cars that we have done up to date, like in terms of how the Audison, the vocals are working together. Personally, I would have preferred obviously the customer game for the Audison components because I can get the board and the Audison components working together. And then, yeah, so obviously the vocals were the customer's product, but obviously, you know, we use what we've got, you know, to make the best out of the situation we have. But believe me, you can hear me. When you sit in the car, you don't want to get out. I promise you, you just don't want to get out. Yeah. The only car that I want to get into now is mine. But obviously, mine is probably your car. So guys, give us a call on 028 554 5554 on 028 554 5554 or email us at info@carsoundsecurity. And you know what, guys? Instagram us as well. Hashtag us at carsoundsecurity, guys. You can see more stuff that we do. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.